Decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, uses cryptocurrency and blockchain technology to manage financial transactions. DeFi aims to democratize finance by replacing legacy centralized institutions with peer to peer relationships that can provide a full spectrum of financial services, from everyday banking, loans, and mortgages to complicated contractual relationships and assets tradings. Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. I am Aishwarya Saxena and this is Blockchain Tutorial Series. I hope you have watched the previous videos of this series. In this video, I am going to explain the details about DeFi, that is decentralized finance. This video could be a little bit longer, but it is going to be very important and interesting. So stay tuned till the end. Decentralized finance today. Today, almost every aspect of banking, lending, and trading is managed by centralized systems, opened by governing bodies. Regular consumers used to deal with a raft of financial middlemen to get across everything from auto loans and mortgage to trading stocks and bonds. The new way, decentralized finance. DeFi challenges this centralized financial system by disempowering middlemen and gatekeepers and empowering everyday people via peer to peer exchanges. Decentralized finance is an unbundling of traditional finance. DeFi takes the key elements of the work done by banks, exchanges, and insurers today, like lending, borrowing, and trading, and puts it in the hands of regular people. DeFi runs on blockchain. Blockchain and cryptocurrency are the core technologies that enable decentralized finance. When you make a transaction in your conventional checking account, it's recorded in a private ledger. Your banking transaction history, which is owned and managed by a large financial institution. Blockchain is a decentralized distributed public ledger where financial transactions are recorded in computer code. When we say that blockchain is distributed, that means all parties using DeFi application have an identical copy of the public ledger, which records each and every transactions in encrypted code. That secures the system by providing users with anonymity plus verification of payments and a record of asset ownership that's nearly impossible to alter by fraudulent activities. When we say blockchain is decentralized, that means there is no middleman or gatekeeper managing the system. Transactions are verified and recorded by parties who use the same blockchain through a process of solving complex math problems and adding new blocks of transactions to the chain. In the next video, I will discuss how DeFi is being used in the current scenarios. So do not forget to like the video and share it with your friends. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.